First at 6, the Cherokee Nation hits a milestone this week by filing 1,000 criminal cases since March. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Day.
And I'm Lori Fulbright. So this comes after a state appeals court ruled in March that the Cherokee Nation was also included in the Supreme Court's decision on tribal jurisdiction. News on 6's Amelia McGirt has more for us. Amelia.
Yes, Attorney General Sarah Hill says filing 1,000 cases in just over 2 months is a huge accomplishment. And it shows that the nation is on track to keep up with the growing number of cases since the court's decision. At the Cherokee Nation headquarters, it's now normal to see courtrooms packed.
Mr. Smith is present in the courtroom.
And court dockets full.
In the previous year, we would file roughly 6 cases a month. Since Hogner's come down, we've filed roughly 300 a month.
Attorney General Sarah Hill says since the state appeals court ruling in March, her office created a criminal division and hired 6 more prosecutors to handle the case increase.
Call it a group effort is almost an understatement. It really did take everyone in the 14-county area working together to get those 1,000 cases filed.
She says tribal courts typically receive cases that the federal courts cannot prosecute, like cases with statute of limitations. She says her team has prosecuted every type of case, from murder to traffic tickets.
It's everything that we can do every day to make sure that these cases are moving forward and getting filed and that they're not getting backed up here, because that's what we don't want.
Federal courts have also been busy. The governor's office says all 3 U.S. attorneys' offices in Oklahoma have filed more than 65,000 cases since last July. Hill says they're working to make sure no cases fall through the cracks.
Not just to the tribal citizens who live on the reservation, but to everyone who lives on the reservation. Public safety is our responsibility. I take that extremely seriously.
Hill says right now tribal courts can only sentence someone to 3 years in jail for each felony. She says her office is continuing to contact Congress to change that limit. Amelia McGirt, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.